So hi everyone, good day. So by the way, I am Charles Joel Colonia Ursabia. So today we will talk about bamboo as handicraft material. Okay, first, select the bamboo suit to the article to be made. So this step means choosing the right type and size of bamboo depending on your project you want to create. Okay, pick bamboo that fits your project so it will strong and useful. Like for example, choosing thick bamboo for a flower base or thin bamboo for a picture frame. Next, cut the bamboo to desired length. So this is the process of cutting bamboo into the proper size needed for the handicraft project. So cut the bamboo based on the size you need, diba? Or cut din mo siya kung sa gusto nga size. Okay. So cutting bamboo into short pieces for a pin holder. For the pin holder. Next, split the bamboo. Split the bamboo. So splitting is dividing the bamboo into smaller section or strips for easier shaping and use. No? Separate the bamboo into parts of your design. Like for example, splitting bamboo into thin strips for weaving a basket. Diba? Next, scrape the bamboo. So scraping is removing the rough outer layer to expose the real skin of the bamboo and and smooth its surface. No, kay as you can see or as you can observe sa Laos bamboo, di ba na siya yung mga tubo-tubo nga murag saha or na siya yung mga panit-panit. So kailangan natin siya hiluan para nindot po siya naawon. Okay, next, transfer the design. So this tip means placing the design on the bamboo surface using carbon paper, then carving or decorate it. So like for example, kanang alkansya, unsa pa yung mga sa mga bamboo bit na handicraft, alkansya, butangan sa ballpen, or unsa pa na diha, no? Dakan kay mabuhat sa bamboo. Promise. Next, nail the bamboo. So nailing is joining bamboo parts together by making holes first, then fastening them securely. So connect bamboo pieces to build the project. Like for example, bangko, di ba? Bangko mahimo siya bamboo or coral, no? Mahimo siya coralin nyo or ibang bamboo. So di ba? Necessary man gid niya nga o maghimo tag ana nga mga butang is kailangan to siya ipako or nails, no? Mga ilangsang na to siya para mas ligon siya, no? Next, sand and polish the bamboo. So sanding smooth and rough edges. So while polishing with varnish, shellac, or lacquer improves appearance and protects the bamboo. So make the bamboo smooth, shiny, and durable. For example, polishing a bamboo fruit tray to give it a glossy finish, no? So mas nindot man gud nga ang mga ipanghimo is butang na siya varnish para kung siya bitaw nice siya tanawon, very presentable, right? No? So next, let's talk about the steel as a handicraft material. So first, cutting the article. So these steps means carefully cutting the seashell into the desired shape or design using proper tools like a carving saw. No? Cut the seashell carefully because it is a fragile. It is a fragile and it can easily break, diba? Next, boring holes. So boring holes is the process of making openings in the seashell using a hand drill, drill bit, or the knife. So make holes in the shell for design or for attaching strings and materials. Like for example, drilling a hole in shell necklace tindan. Next, assembling articles. So these steps means joining seashells together or attaching them to other materials using screws, wire, or nylon, no? Nylon cord. So put the shell pieces together to create the final handicraft. No? Like for example, using wire to make a seashell kanang bitong pintas, di ba? Necklace. So, di ba, magamit man taan na og mga nylon para dito na to siya ipang-tusok na to ang mga seashells, right? Oo, para ato din mahimo ang ato ang gustong ibuhat, like kanang mga bracelets nga gamit ang mga seashells, or earrings, mga earrings and the necklace. Yes. Next, so after that, polishing the seashell project, no? Pwede naman siya butangan na po din og mga varnish para musinaw siya, mga paint finish, no? Mga paint para to improve the appearance and project the seashell project. Oo, may ana. So, digda siya malimtan ng mga varnish, mga unsa pala diya mga pang-design or pang-pasinaw, pang-padungag itchos sa atong mga handicraft. So, today, we will talk about coconut shell as a handicraft material. Okay. First, prepare the designs, no? So, first, think of the design or pattern you want to make the coconut shell. So you copy ideas from books, magazines, and even the social media, or also the TikTok, right? Dakan tayo makita sa mga TikTok na mga tutorial about handicraft, yeah, diba, about arts. Yes, dakan tayo makita sa social media. Okay, or paano lang, create your own, no? Create your own, like mag-think ka about sa mga handicraft. Handicraft, right? So, for example, mag-draw ka og flowers, leaf, or heart shape on the shell, no? Before mo siya i-cut. Yes. The second, treat the coconut shell. So, remove the outer fibers and raw parts of the shell to the smooth shell surface will show. Oo, kailangan nato siya hinluan ang coconut shell before nato siya drawingan or tracean nato sa ato ang mga ideas or sa ato ipang craft diya sa ato ang coconut shell. Okay. Next, transfer the design of the coconut shell. So copy your chosen design onto the shell using carbon paper or the paste that design on it, right? No, like for example, i-draw nimo sa imuhang papel, i-draw nimo like kani, heart, i-draw nimo heart. So imo din na siya, pwede din naman siya i-trace dito sa coconut shell. For example, this is your paper and this is your coconut shell. So na-draw na dito, anak na mo dahil taplak nimo. Pag wala din imo din siyang sundon nimo to, or imo siyang kanan og mga knife. Like imo siya, di ba, heart na. Anak nimo siya, i-trace nimo siya hantod nga pagkuha nimo sa paper tapos na forma naman to kay syempre imo man gianak og kutsilyo. So mo din to, imo din siyang i-follow na lang din mo siya uban hantod nga imo na siyang ma-achieve kung unsa to imong gusto nga himuon. Okay. Next, cut out the project carefully with a cupping saw. So carefully cut the shell based on the design you made. Mata ko imong gina nga careful lang dito, no? Kung for example heart, mata ko example gina, no? Careful lang to siya cut hantod nga ma-achieve nato kung unsa to ang ato ang gusto. Okay. Next, bore holes on the coconut shells. Ano siya is bore hole coconut shells. So, make small holes in the shell if needed for design, decoration, or attaching parts. Like for example, drilling a hole in the coconut shell, pendant, so a stream can pass through. Yes. Next, attach or mount the coconut shells to wooden bases. So i-connect nimo ang finished shell piece of a to wood or another base to complete the project. Like for example, attaching a coconut shell decoration to a wooden stand. Yes. Next, polish the coconut shell articles. So apply varnish, shellac, or lacquer to make the shell shiny and protect it. No? Para presentable dito ato ang kuan, ato ang gipangbuhat. So kailangan siya, pwede na to siya batang og varnish, pastinaw ba? Sinaw dili lain ano bitaw. Unya, tsara siya tan-awon. Okay, so that's all.